Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Canyonhugesavings.com. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a store that sells bike parts and bikes. And as you can see, they sell bikes for cheap. So here on Malware Tips, they actually expose the store as a scam. So they go over the scam overview. On the surface, Canyonhugesavings.com appears to be a legitimate online retailer, selling various discounted items to shoppers at prices significantly lower than major retailers. However, in reality, it is a scam site that engages in deceptive tactics to trick customers into placing orders and handing over their money or sensitive personal information. So as you can see, they also go over how they work, like social media advertising, illusion of a real e-commerce store, fake order confirmations, then failure to deliver on the order items, then refusal to issue refunds, and then rinse and repeat. So please guys, do not fall for websites like these. Before actually buying cheap products online, I would advise you to do some research if it's legit or not. And yeah, that's basically it guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.